Welcome to LinMot Tutorials. In this tutorial, we will size the rotary portion of a cap torque checking application. The first thing you will need to do is go to the upper left-hand corner and open a new rotary sizing. Then go to Global Settings and enter the sizing info into the Info tab. Here's the mass moment of inertia of our tooling and cap. Next, we will select our motor. Go to the Motor tab and select the motor box. The category should be Linear Rotary Motor, Rotary Part. The group is PR02. The family will be the PR02 52x60 motor, as this will fit our application. We will use K05 4-meter cables. We will address this message once we have sized the linear portion of this application. Next, go to the Load tab. We will put our calculated mass moment of inertia for the tooling, which is 1.45. The motion for this sizing is split into a rotary axis and a linear axis. We are focusing on the rotary axis in this video. The motor will dwell 250 milliseconds while it moves downward. It will then complete 4 revolutions to screw the cap onto the bottle. After screwing, it will torque the cap onto the bottle, followed by another dwell for an additional 250 milliseconds. Finally, it will perform 4 reverse revolutions to unscrew itself and retract upward. Now, let's create our motion profile. Segment 1 will be a 250 millisecond standstill. Segment 2 will spin 4 revolutions, or 1,440 degrees, in 350 milliseconds. Under Local Load Settings, we will add 0.0091 to our moment of inertia for the cap. Segment 3 will be a 150 millisecond standstill. In the local settings, we will enter an external torque of negative 0.8 Newton meters to simulate correctly placing the cap on the bottle. Segment 4 will be a 250 millisecond standstill. In Segment 5, the motor will spin 4 revolutions back to its original position in 350 milliseconds. As we can see, there are no errors or warnings. We can proceed to the linear sizing in Part 2.